Here's our baby bird. The cat brought us last night, and he's fine. He's been kept under a lamp. He's been fed, moistened cat food, soaked in cat food,
He's
and
hungry.
looks like he's ready for another shot here. Put it inside of his beak. He'll open his beak. Maybe. Sometimes he does. Sometimes he don't. And you're blocking the light, hon.
Sorry.
And we just give him a little shot of this in there. We're getting ready to take him out to the wildlife refuge. And that's feeding a baby bird there. And then he rolls over and goes back to sleep.
Okay.
Drop him down in the bed. And it's good night.
We are not available now.